In this session, I will explain some nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compound. First reaction is addition of hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide adds to the carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketones to form cyanohydrin. It is an example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Here, acetaldehyde react with the hydrogen cyanide to form cyanohydrin. Next mechanism, hydrogen cyanide ionized to give H plus and Cn minus. Here Cn minus act as a nucleophile. This cyanide ion attacks the carbonyl carbon followed by the attachment of hydrogen to carbonyl oxygen to form cyanohydrin. And second reaction is addition of sodium bisulfate. Aldehydes and ketones form crystalline bisulfate addition product with sodium bisulfate solution. This is also another example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Acetaldehyde reacts with sodium bisulfate to form bisulfate addition product. So next mechanism, like hydrogen cyanide, sodium bisulfate ionized into sodium plus and HSO3 minus ion. Here HSO3 minus act as a nucleophile. It attacks the carbonyl carbon followed by the attachment of sodium ion to carbonyl oxygen to form bisulfate addition product. Third reaction is addition of Grignard reagent. Aldehyde and ketones reacts with the Grignard reagents and the addition products on hydrolysis give alcohols. So here three reactions are there. First one is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium iodide. It is called as a Grignard reagent to form addition product which on hydrolysis to give primary alcohol as a product. In the second case, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent to form addition product which undergo hydrolysis to form secondary alcohol. Next acetone. Acetone reacts with the Grignard reagent to form addition product which undergoes hydrolysis to form tertiary alcohol. Mechanism. First, Grignard reagent undergoes ionization to give the carbanion. This is act as a nucleophile. This attacks the carbonyl carbon followed by the attachment of magnesium iodide ion to the carbonyl oxygen. Finally, on hydrolysis, the above product, the addition product gives the corresponding alcohol. What is the importance of this reaction? This reaction is very used to synthesis of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Fourth reaction is aldol condensation. What is aldol condensation? Two molecules of aldehydes or ketones in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide or barium hydroxide to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. This reaction is called as aldol condensation. In the first reaction, two molecules of acetaldehyde involved in aldol condensation in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide to form beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. This is called as aldol. In the second reaction, two molecules of same ketone, that is acetone, we have taken in the presence of base. It gives beta hydroxy ketone. Next mechanism. Carbonyl compound loses a hydrogen and forms a nucleophile, that is carbanion. Here one molecule of acetaldehyde reacts with the base to form nucleophile CH2 minus CHO. This nucleophile attacks the carbonyl carbon of another molecule and proton is added to negative oxygen to give aldol. What is the limitation of aldol condensation? Aldol condensation is possible only when the carbon compound contains at least one alpha hydrogen. In the presence of strong alkali, the aldol condensation is repeatedly takes place to give a complex called resin. What is the significance of aldol condensation? It is used to synthesize variety of organic compounds such as alpha, beta, unsaturated aldehydes, acid, alcohols and saturated alcohols, and also several reactions such as Perkin condensation, Navier-Stokes reaction, Gleason condensation are very closely related to aldol condensation. Next reaction is dehydration of aldol products. The aldol products lose water when heated with mineral acid and form alpha, beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So first reaction is aldol undergoes dehydration in the presence of dilute HCl to form crotonaldehyde. In the second case, we take diacetone alcohol which undergoes dehydration in the presence of mineral acid to form mesitile oxide.